Okay, so I've decided after looking up popular wood grains in mid-century, teak was the icon most associated with mid-century, walnut, rosewood, oak, mahogany, but also like veneers were thin veneers over plywood or particle board. And so I decided I had teak oil. I'm not gonna like change the stain. I am just going to use the teak oil that I have. Yeah, how do you get it open? Oh yeah. I'm just gonna be very, very patient. Very strong smell. Okay, ooh, that's looking pretty, right? I don't know if you can see that. You like how I'm acting like I can't move the kitchen towards me? It's gotta stay in place. It's looking pretty. I'm liking. Now, I don't think this is gonna match exactly, but it's okay. They're sisters, not twins, right? And we don't have to be perfect. I did that, or tried that for so long. Yeah. My gosh, it looks so pretty. I doubt this is teak wood, but look at that difference. That's pretty amazing, right? Oh, so pretty. Let me bring you up closer. I'm leaning this up against a freaking Topo Chico can. It's fine. Let's start at the top. Yeah, you see how it's not gonna be the same color as the other? That's okay. We love you too, cabinet. We can be different and look different and honor that. That's so pretty too. We can just admire the difference. When old me would have ruminated on it and stuck with it, and the new me kind of likes that it's different, that it maybe doesn't blend in. Ooh, that's so pretty too. Seems like society wants us to try to divide and look at our differences. And really it should be about like, wow, that's so cool that we're different. I love that about you. And I can honor you and honor that there are differences, but that we have so many similarities too. You know what I'm saying? One's not better or more important. Look at that one, looks totally different than the others. That's pretty cool too. Oh, I have to get down there. So pretty, huh? Each one is different. And if it is bothering you, I think what I would say now is, well, what bothers you about it looking so different? What's wrong with it? What rule book says it all has to be the same? Whose rule book? Where does it come from? And is that really true? Can we learn to accept it? Not necessarily like that they're all different colors. You don't have to like something to accept it and still be okay with it. Say, huh, it's not that bad. I actually kind of like that each piece has a little bit of difference. Now, we'll see what the homeowners think, but I think once it's all together, they're not going to see all the stuff that we saw. The process of it. Okay. Now, I do have the fridge, and I am going to have to glue it. But let's see what this color is. Let's see. It's a little more brownish. It's pretty cool. Oh. I can dig it.